we say 1 egg is about 50 grams. Okay, so we put 1 egg. Just briefly to whisk it. And then if 1 egg is about 50 grams, right? And we put the flaxseed is about 25 grams. That's all we need. Just a little bit. And so, yes, I use Himalayan salt. I like pink salt, but you can use any kind of salt. Then that's optional. If you like to have a little bit more puff, you can put a little bit baking powder. It's not necessary if you want. That's it.
I ate it.
It is sour or sweet?
Sour.
Sour?
And look at the chocolate.
Mm.
And this is called 巧克力，不对，是飞机泡芙。
飞机泡。Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Ah.